Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube land. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023, 9 p.m. What you're looking at today, now this is another thrilling episode of Filth. Now this is a NuTone Proline 1 56-inch industrial ceiling fan. I acquired this free of charge at a yard sale. It was took around just a couple of hours away, but it was worth it. It had just been sitting in a garage. There was one installed in the garage, and the house was for sale. Unfortunately, they would not let me swap that out because the house had already been sold, I should say. But this had, I guess the previous owner had, I guess it was her father or whatever, but had acquired the two ceiling fans, and this is the only one. The one made it up, and the other one just stayed in the garage the whole time. So it just sat there getting dirty and rusty, and maybe someday I'll clean it off. But I like that aesthetic of for an industrial ceiling fan. Either that, or I'm just too lazy to clean it. One or the other. You decide. Now I've rigged it up to a solid state control, so I'm going to start it on high speed. I'm going to turn the dial slowly to get to get progressively slower. Slow is so slow that it actually stopped. Well, there's no need to do the spin down since it inadvertently did a spin down already. That being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.